Cancer, this is your reading for what is going on in the third party situation. So if you are having a third party situation, this reading is for you. We will see your energy, your partner's energy, and what is the future of this relationship that you are in right now. And this is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. And if you think that the reading resonates, please do subscribe. Okay, Cancer, so what is happening right now is the person that you are with, either they are married to someone else or they are married to you. For some of you, this is about marriage. You are the person is married to someone else, or they are married to you, and then they are in a third party situation. And talking about your energy, Cancer, you are in that stage of you are stressed, you are feeling rejected, you are feeling you think like you're feeling like your partner is leaving you or getting away from you, and they are not giving their 100% to you. This is what you're feeling. And at the same time, your partner with that third party is feeling the same way. So your partner is involved with a third party, but they are not satisfied with that third party. This is what I can see. And there are 4 hours, so there are four of swords, then we have 4 of cups and 4 of wands. So what, for very few of you, this is a situation there are 4 people are involved. It could either be you, and you are with some other person, and they are with some other person, and you guys are strongly pulled towards each other, you are attracted towards each other. Or for some of you, this might be that some fourth person, one person from their side and one person from your side is trying to um, manipulate the situation that is there. The 4 of Wands suggests that there is a very strong energy of strong pull. You people are very much pulled towards each other, so you guys want to be each other, want to be together. Your partner, they want this relationship to work out. They do not want to leave you. They are actually getting away from the third party as well, so that they can be closer to you, and they are trying to find ways to make the relationship that they have with you permanent. But the third party that is involved in this relationship, and I can strongly see that you both are involved with someone. For one, for one party, it is a very strong committed relationship, and for the other person, this is a something that they are like in a casual relationship or something. But you both are involved, you both have other options available with you. And then we have a passion card, which strongly suggests that you guys can see that you guys are connected to each other, you have that chemistry, you fulfill each other, you are equally interested in each other, you both want this relationship, you both want each other, and you have this strong desire to be together. You both of them, you want to be with this person, and that person wants to be with you, but because of some commitment with other persons, you guys are not able to come together. And this is hurting you, and this is hurting your partner as well. You both are getting affected because of this. And we have partying energy, which shows that either for very few of you, you have met this person in a party or somewhere, and for most of the people, what is happening is this relationship, this chaotic thing that is happening, this what do we say, we call it, so this situation is so movie like situation where you are trying to distract yourself and you are just trying to avoid this person, and you are trying to be be just be with yourself, and you are trying to go in parties, going out with friends in order to avoid the whole situation. This is what you are doing right now. But in the bottom of the deck we have twin flames. So whoever this person is, Cancer, that you're dealing with, you guys have this twin flame energy. You guys are meant to be together. uh, see the hands, how they are holding each other. There is a lot of pain, there's a lot of obstacles, and you guys are too far away from each other, and there are a lot of hurdles in between, but you guys are not ready to leave each other's hand. Your partner, they are trying to hold on to you. You are trying to get rid of it, maybe because they are committed to someone else, and that is why you are pulling yourself back, or maybe you are committed to someone else and that is why you are trying to avoid this person. But deep down you know that this is the person who compliments you, who is your true mate, true partner, and you guys are meant to be together. And the overall energy of the reading suggests that you guys will uh, have a union. We have this union. This is a very strong card which shows that union is there. You guys, you people, this might take time. You right now the situation is not according to you or your partner. Maybe for some of you, you are even not in contact, you are avoiding each other as much as you can. But the twin flame energy and the Four of Wands strongly suggests that your partner wants this thing to work. Deep down somewhere, you also realize this thing, that this is the person with whom you want to be with, because they complement you, and you are like this. You guys are polar poles apart from each other. Their personality is totally different from your personality. You do guys do not match. Your personality do not match, your lifestyle do not match, your things do not match. But you guys, when you are together, you feel like, and your partner feels like you complement each other, you complete each other. It's like a yin yang thing, where the the good and evil, they have to be together, and they balance each other. This is the energy that you and your partner have. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. I hope it resonates, and if it does, please do give a thumbs up.